Complete baby bottle set perfect for your little one from newborn to toddler. Includes 5 bottle sizes and a full set of cleaning tools. Made from BPA-free materials for safe, worry-free use. Introducing our complete 5-size baby bottle set crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials for safe and confident feeding. Includes a bottle cleaning brush and a special formula bottle cleanser that's gentle and safe for babies. Mini 2-ounce baby bottle ideal for newborns with tiny tummies and light feeding needs. 4-ounce baby bottle perfect for infants as their feeding needs grow. 5-ounce baby bottle ideal for the transition stage as your little one begins to grow. 8-ounce baby bottle designed for older infants and early toddlers who need larger feeding volumes. 9-ounce baby bottle extra large size for older babies and toddlers with bigger appetites. Special baby bottle brush features soft bristles that are gentle on bottle surfaces and ensure thorough, scratch-free cleaning. Special formula baby bottle cleanser effectively removes milk residue, leaving bottles spotless and odor-free. Every product is free from parabens and BPA, making it safe to use and harmless for children. Each product has different usage and storage instructions. Please read the manual before use. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.